Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Inat Kessler here with a new video tutorial. It is time for another paper perk. This is on me. You won't have that on your pages. We are at paper perk number 87, and today we are going to finish the journal that we started 3 weeks ago. So we already have the cover, the pages, and some pockets. And today we are going to finish it with some tags and some words. So I've cut all the pieces, and now we can go ahead and add them to our pages. So these are the belly bands, and they're really fun because you can layer, mix and match. Let's say we're going to have a word here, so we can add this, and of course you can print it as many times as you want, so you can have more pieces if you need them. So now apply glue on each side, and then we don't want to put it in the middle so it won't interfere with the pocket. Let's make it a little straighter. Okay. Now we can make a tuck spot. I like to layer them, so let's make a tuck spot. So I'm just going to attach this one to this one like this, and then apply glue only to the bottom. So a tuck spot goes here, and then you can put something underneath it like that. Or we can add create on top here, and then this can go in here like that. And we can go on and on like this. You can put this on the other side, for example, or our little banner can go on any page that we want. We can even go to the other page, can make it like a series. Just make sure you won't interfere with the folding. So let's remove this, and then like that. And of course you can keep on going if you want. You can have the belly band here on one of the cards, or you can have the belly band on the inside cover as well. You can just play around with it and then add something underneath like that. And this guy, they're going to go here, and basically our journal is ready. You can add add hidden journaling cards in here, or you can add these ones inside any way that you want. Then write on. This is a really good color to write on. It's light enough so you can just write something. Add little notebooks in the pockets. They're pretty big. So I really hope that you like this month Paper Perk project. Thank you very much for joining me. Go to the Facebook group. There's a link in the description under the video to grab all the freebies for this month. And the Ko-fi supporters can find all the extra pages in the gallery. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.